Hello everybody, this will be a video on the brain slices you're responsible for knowing. It's come to my attention that you are responsible for knowing brain slices. It should be something that will make sense the more you understand the general shape and structure of the brain and generally where everything is in relation to each other. And once you get to that point, I would recommend starting to look at um, the brain slices, and we want to use this neuroanatomy.ca. It's from the University of British Columbia, and they have the best slices of brain for you to look at. Normally we have these in our own in the lab, but I think these are even better. Of course, nothing is better than actually holding the own brain slices and having them physically with you to look at. But this is the second best option, I think. So you want to go to this website, go to cross sections. Okay, there we go. Now you want to look at coronal slices. That means a frontal cut. And you can see, look at these images up here. You can see these are all frontal cuts. And you can see it goes a little bit posteriorly, starts anteriorly, goes more and more posterior as you go for each slice. It goes for about 20 or so slices, 24 slices. So if you go, let's say we go to slice 7, so now you're seeing the white matter, okay, myelinated axons by oligodendrocytes, and then you're seeing gray matter, which is the cell bodies, neurons. So you can either highlight them, the corpus callosum, we're highlighting that right now, unhighlight it, or you can try to guess and then view all text labels, and then it will show you everything that you need to find. So go to slice 8, same thing, view all text labels, they'll all pop up. So it's pointing to all the different gray matter and some of the white matter. So just do that for the frontal cuts, view text labels, quiz yourself, be like, where's the insula? Guess where it's at. Then you can highlight it and be like, oh, great, I got it right. So I think you're going to want to be like, once you get familiar with slice 8, you basically got all slices 5 to like 13 figured out, because you can see the slices very slight every time. So it's a lot less work than you think. The students and I, during my office hours, are going through it, and we noticed that we started just going through like one slice. We understood the next 3 until something dramatically changed. Once they got to a certain point, once they started getting the diencephalons, then we figured that out. Then we were good for another 5 slides. All right. And you also want to know horizontal cut slices or transverse cut. That's what we say in lab. You can see where the cut is right here in these pictures, going from superiorly to inferiorly, cutting down and down and down and down and down for about 20 slices. You do the same thing. And then you go to view text labels, how's the different labels, and then you can highlight different features. And it looks intimidating, but I promise you, just try to identify everything, and not much changes slice to slice. And actually in lab, we dramatically reduce the slices that you need to look at because it's kind of redundant. But this, after you get good, as I said, with the structure, knowing the structure of the brain, then start looking at the slices, and it should be a lot easier for you than starting right out with just looking at gray and white matter. All right, I'll see you on the next video.